Oh, you heard me coming. I was going to spy on you in there. Silly monkey. Monkey, where are you going? You have to go pee? Oh, turtle has to go pee-pee. Is that what's going on?
Pee-pee.
Turtle has to have a pee-pee.
Pee-pee.
Yeah. Your book is in there. Oh, you're going to get your turtle a book? Yeah, so nobody can pee-pee without a book. Yeah. Oopsie. It's a good thing there's no pee in there. He's okay. He's going potty? Yeah. What do you want me to do? Oh. What's the matter? Do you want me to help him go potty? Here. You want him to have his book, huh? Mommy help you put his book there? I'll do it. It's okay. There we are. Oh, it's hard to do. Here, we'll do it this way. There. Now he has his book. Does that make you happy? You're welcome. Did you hear her thank you? It's very cute. So what are you doing? We are only half dressed so far. We still have Jim Jam top on. Yeah? Where are you going? You want your Curious George book? There you go. You gonna sit and read with the turtle? You could read him a story, no? Mm-hmm. Gonna go back in your castle? Hmm? No, Daddy's not home. Or Teddy? What are you saying? Teddy or Daddy? It's Daddy? What's the matter? You want your daddy? He's coming home later. Don't pick your nose. You had a booger, yes. Kleenex, yes. Open it? You want to open it so you can get your booger? Is that what you're after? Here. A smart girl. There you go. How's that? Can you get it out? I opened the other side. There you go. You can do it. You can do it. Just pull. Pull. There, like that. There you go. You don't need more than that. One is good. You gonna take them all out? You don't need them all out. Sweetie pie. There. There you go. Mommy? For Mommy? Thank you. Very nice. You gonna put it back? What a good girl. Woo! It's heavy, huh? Oh, you got it almost. Oh, there you go. You did it. You did it. Yeah. Blow your nose. That's okay. Good girl. Get your booger. Can you put that in the garbage? Oh, maybe a little more Kleenex. Garbage? Yeah, oops. Oopsie do. Garbage. Mommy has some plastic. Here, let me help you start this. There we are. There. Those are tiny pieces. You want a bigger piece. Bigger piece. Those are really little pieces. You want a bigger piece, don't you? We actually use Kleenex for this. Would you like a piece of Kleenex? Okay, that'll work. That's enough. No more. No more. There you go. Okay, no more wasting. Mommy doesn't like to waste things. No more wasting. Ah, it's killing me. Help, there, pull. There we go. No? Hmm? Okay. Here, we should put that in the bathroom. How's that? Put that in the bathroom? That's where it goes. Okay? I'm going to turn this off now. It's getting to be a long video. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Can you say how are you? How are you? Hi, how are you? No? Fine. Can you blow a kiss? Just feel like wiping your nose. Blow a kiss. Veda. Veda. You have to blow the kiss. Okay. Good girl. Look at the clean nose you have. The garbage? Yes. Okay.